Hello again in the UTEX Pixel channel. I haven't been posting any videos for a while, but actually I've been improving the game quite a lot. So I wanted to share with you the changes that I made. First of all, the visible changes right now, it's that I decided that it's actually it might be not very changeless for the player not very challenges for the player to have the portal accessible always. So I decided that I will put a padlock on it, and the padlock will disappear only, and the portal will be accessible only when all of the enemies on the map will be defeated. The second thing is that I've been working also. I've been changing one skill, strength skill. There is no more the block multiplicator, so it will not be multiplying the balls on block, but it will have a chance to morph a ball on block, so the enemy ball can become the player projectile. And I will present you in a second how it works. Well, when we approach the player that is throwing the projectiles, we block, and here we go, that's our projectile now. So it works right now because I have 100% of the chance just for the testing purposes, but obviously there will be some progression level from 5 to some 20, 10% and so on and so on. Then another thing is, finally I have implemented some indicator that the player has level up, so when I will reach the next level cap, then there is showing the small signature above the head of the player with the sign level up. And also finally I have implemented as well this small animation with when the player is dying. So when let's say, I will show you just in a second. Let's go in here. So the camera is centering on the player, turning on the small animation. We have a black background with a little bit of light and a shadow, and a new window to go to the main menu and to restart the game. That's the major changes, and I'm actually thinking about to compile it somehow together. I'm cleaning some small bugs in the meantime, but I'm thinking actually to compile it in some kind of demo to have like 15 levels of this dungeon with the several different enemies, and just to share with the players, maybe on the itch.io, because I'm actually curious about the feedback from the players. And for today, that's pretty much all, and see you later. Bye.